Ever noticed how Melbourne's weather can flip from sunny to sideways rain in 10 minutes? That's exactly what the crypto market's been doing this week. But today, Bitcoin's decided to put the sunnies back on. I'm currently not in Melbourne. I am in the sunny Mildura, uh, new resort that just opened up. So, coming to you from Mildura, but still all the content based on Melbourne. Bitcoin is trading around 92,000, 99,200 Australian dollars, 66 USD. It's a solid couple of percent in the last day after clawing back from that ugly 8.7 billion global wipeout earlier in February. I think the sun maybe has got to me today, even though it's a bit overcast today or at the moment, but it's been sunny all day. So I'm Sash from CRYPTOLOGIC from Melbourne, based, mate, keeping it real on Bitcoin and crypto down under. No fluff, just the facts and a bit of that Aussie straight talk. This segment is brought to you by cryptology.com.au, your go-to hub for in-depth Aussie and global crypto news. Let's kick off with a local hook, because if you're watching from Australia, this hits close to home. Australia's crypto scene is heating up, but not always in a good way. The Senate's fast-tracking an inquiry into the Corporation Amendment Digital Asset Framework Bill 2025, which would force platforms holding or managing digital assets to get proper licensing like stockbrokers under AFL-SL rules, not AFL, AFSL rules. ASIC just dropped their key issues outlook for 2026, calling out big regulatory gaps in unlicensed crypto firms as a major consumer risk. Meanwhile, how good is that view? Meanwhile, the banks are still playing hardball. Coinbase is publicly calling out the Big Four for what they say is an unlawful regulatory ban on banking services for legit crypto companies. Debanking's real, and it's frustrating a lot of us. But here's the bright spot. Self-managed super funds are jumping in head first. With crypto ETFs now more accessible and regs providing some clarity, younger trustees are allocating for diversification. 2026 could be the year SMSFs make crypto mainstream in retirement portfolios. Now, zooming in, or rather zooming out to the global picture. Bitcoin's bounce back to above 70,000 USD. That's our 99,000 plus AUD. Came after cooler US inflation prints sparked risk on vibes. But don't get too excited. Analysts are saying we haven't hit the ultimate bear market bottom yet, with deleveraging still playing out orderly, not panic. Broader cryptos are tumbling too. Coinbase just posted a surprise loss from slowed trading volumes. And there's chatter about US banks meeting on crypto policy under higher directions. TradFi is dipping toes deeper, with pilots for wallets and direct trading in the pipeline for later this year. Before we go deeper, time for a quick laugh to keep things grounded. Why did the Australian Bitcoin holder bring a boomerang to the market crash? Because every time it dips, it comes right back. But this time, it's yelling "G'day" from 99k AUD. All right, back to business, my fellow Bitcoiners. The logic, rather, the cryptologic takeaway. The market's volatile, but the fundamentals are shifting. Globally, institutional interest isn't dead. It's evolving through regulation and products. Locally, Australia is playing catch up. Tighter rules protect consumers, but could slow innovation if banks keep debanking. The SMSF trend is huge for long term adoption here. If you're in super, think about how regulated exposure fits your risk profile. I am not a financial advisor. This is just my read as a passionate observer. Always do your own research, never invest more than you can lose, and chat to a licensed pro for personal advice. So, where does that leave us, Aussies? HODL, if you're in it for a long haul, maybe DCA on these dips if you've got conviction, but keep an eye on those regs. They could make or break accessibility in 2026. Back to Melbourne's obviously got events popping up like ConTech meetup later this month. Great spot for network if you're local. If this hits home, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS updates, and drop in the comments. Are you adding to your BTC stack right now or waiting for clearer skies? Not like today, but yesterday was better. Thanks for hanging out, legends. Stay sharp, stay sovereign, and I'll catch you in the blockchain. Sash from CryptoLogic, signing off. Cheers.